Bonjour ki bienvenue. Hello and welcome. This is chapter number 1. So in this video lesson guys, we will discuss how to make sentences in French language. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is your first word for this video lesson. Bon. Bon, which means good. Next word is c'est. C'est, meaning it's or it is. So how can we say it's good? C'est bon. C'est bon, meaning it's good. Here is your next word, fantastique. Fantastique, meaning fantastic. It is similar like an English word, fantastic. So how would you say it is fantastic? C'est fantastique. C'est fantastique. Here is another common word which is widely used in English as well as in French. Absolument. Absolument, meaning absolutely. So how can we say it is absolutely fantastic? C'est absolument fantastique. C'est absolument fantastique. Today we learned bon, meaning good, c'est, meaning it is, fantastique, meaning fantastic, absolument, meaning absolutely. Here is another commonly used word, ici. Ici, which means here. So how would you say it is here? C'est ici. C'est ici. So here is another sentence. How would you translate this into French? It's good here. It is good here. C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. And what about it is fantastic here? C'est fantastique ici. C'est fantastique ici. How would you say it is absolutely fantastic here? C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Here is another very important word, très. Très, which means very. So how would you say it's very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. That's all about this video lesson. Keep on practicing to memorize it properly. See you soon. A bientôt. Thanks for watching that video guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.